brief candle, both ends burning. A weary mile, a bus wheel turning, a friend to share the lonely times, a handshake and a sip of wine. So say it loud and let it ring that we're all part of everything, the present, future, and the past. Fly on, proud bird, you're free at last.
They waved goodbye to Greenville as they all boarded that plane. Destination Baton Rouge, but that was all about to change when that convoy started struggling and soon gave up the fight. A southern rock band from Jacksonville became legends overnight. No help miles around, no consolation to be found. There's a place in Gillsburg, Mississippi, some call sacred ground. It sits back in a lonely place where the world came crashing down. Behind the no trespassing sign where few have ever been, and some swear every nightfall you could hear free bird in the wind. There's an old beech tree that keeps a watch from sunrise to dark, with the title of that famous song carved inside her bark. For some it feels like yesterday since that fateful flight that claimed the lives of those poor young souls on that sad October night. How could anyone survive when a 10-ton bird falls from the sky? There's a place in Gillsburg, Mississippi, some call sacred ground. It sits back in a lonely place where the world came crashing down. Behind the no trespassing sign where few have ever been, and some swear every nightfall you could hear free bird in the wind. There's a place in Gillsburg, Mississippi, some call sacred ground. It sits back in a lonely place where the world came crashing down. Behind the no trespassing sign, few have ever been. Some swear